how I turn my studio with the lighting like this to something like this. We don't need a high quality camera, of course that's a nice thing, it's a plus, it's a good instrument. Look at this take right here. So pretty much we have no excuse with the gear. Use what you have and make a nice setup and learn about lighting. Light is key. Key light. Hey. First thing is the light. We turn off the light, we close the window. If you have something black and dark, so the light doesn't shine through and doesn't bounce, doesn't give that soft look, just stops right there. So I have this black curtain right here on this side. If I open, you will see over here that the light's gonna go and it's shining. So it's very different, but I like it dark and moody. It's very important so we can have the full control of the light, because the sun is always changing. So we don't need to set the exposure and then go back, the light change, we have to set again, and we're gonna constantly have to check the settings. And then we start to be a little bit creative and see what we have around. In my case over here, I have this backlight. It's very versatile, I love it, and I can change the intensity as well. So that is my hair light. That's the one that's gonna give me this part over here, as you can see, that's shining this side. After that, I have this light on the back over there, and I can control by a little remote. I just press and we can change the color. And then we use the Young Nouveau. It's RGB as well. I highly recommend because it's very compact, it's durable. I dropped this a couple of times but still works, and I have the ability to plug a battery as well. It's my key light, as soft as I can, and I try to set this color as close as I can from my camera white balance, which in this case is 46K, as neutral as possible, not too orangey and not too blue. It's right in the middle. That's the perfect spot for me. After we set up that, I go and I try to grab my lens, my favorite, the one and only, the Portrait King, the depth of field master. I try to go for the lowest f-stop that I can, which in my case is the 85 f1.4. I do need a little bit of space because it's very far away, but I have a monitor over there on the top and I can see everything is perfect. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like this one, I'm sure that you're gonna love this other one over here. Feel free to subscribe and leave your like and comment down below. Thank you.